I am so excited to show you this house in Surfside Beach on 8th Avenue South at 722 because it is phenomenal. This is a very large home with a circular drive on a corner lot. Oh, you just are gonna love, love, love this. We have a handicap ramp coming up the front, or go through the gate and enter through the French doors. The yard is just spectacular. We come up the handicap ramp and we have nice wrought iron railing, a storm door, and then we have a front room. We have stippled ceilings. And then yet another large den area leading out through French doors onto a deck. Coming around the corner, we have a kitchen and a huge dining room overlooking another fabulous room. Through that door, we have the laundry. Let's go take a look at that with you. So the laundry is out of the way. We go out the back door, water heater, and a fabulous storage room right here off the back. Another closet. Could make that a beautiful china cabinet area there. This house has so much potential. And then, oh my goodness, what a wonderful room this is. Goes out the front, that's the French doors that I mentioned a moment ago. We have 4 skylights and sliders off the back going on to, yes, another deck. And this wall-to-wall, ceiling-to-floor fireplace is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So we come back through these beautiful doors into the dining area. Coming past the kitchen, the den with shelving. Past the room where we entered and down the hallway. We have a closet right off the hall and linoleum on the floors in the bath, a tub shower, single sink, and that's right across the hallway from the first bedroom. We have a closet, bedroom overlooking the road where we just came in. And right next door, another bedroom, bedroom number 2, with the double doors opening into a nice sized closet. And yes, even more storage right outside that room. And did I say storage? There's yet another. This home has certainly utilized the space very well. We have a long hallway, and to the right, a 3rd bedroom with the double doors opening to the closet. And yet another bath. This bath sports a shower, step-in shower, with the single sink. And then as we come through, we have a beautiful area that can be shut off. And again, access to one of the decks outside, which we'll visit in a moment. Coming through, we have our master bedroom. Just gorgeous. You can see from the room out into one of the neat little nook areas to entertain outside. This room is very spacious with a huge closet. So it has the glass mirror doors sliding from either side to open up into that huge closet that goes all the way across. Just gorgeous. Coming back down the the hallway, excuse me, that's not the den. Looking at the den through the door. We have screen doors on our doors going outside. What a wonderful deck. It's huge. Plenty of room, seating around, and overlooking one of the seating areas in the back. We'll go see that in just a moment. That door looks back through the den. And then we come down a couple of steps onto a patio where we can go back in through the laundry, through that door, or come out where they've even made a cute sidewalk coming out into the backyard. And as we look over to this side of the home, we've got another cemented area for dining or maybe grilling out, maybe playing a few horseshoes. And then on around the home to our condenser unit. Coming back through the backyard, you'll notice the gorgeous trees lending itself to plenty of shade. Or take some of these trees out and put you a beautiful pool back here. And there's more. There's a kitchen already started for you with grills and openings for refrigerators and everything that you might need to have an outdoor kitchen. Love the arched little entryway into the garage. And this home actually goes all the way, the property goes all the way back behind this garage a ways and into what a fabulous workshop with shelving that goes all the way up, a little loft, very large doors so that you could come in with your RV, your boat, your car, your truck, you name it. Be very easy to come through with whatever you might need here. Coming back out of the garage, we're going to walk around and show you the other side of the garage, and there's more yard. Here's that brick kitchenette all ready for you outside. We have some garden areas already landscaped in and more yard and privacy. There's plenty of room to put whatever you might want out here. You could put a pool out here if you didn't want it in the back near your decks. Look how beautifully landscaped this area is for your gardening. We have a patio on the front where we had come in. And you'll notice they have already given you the privacy. We have another handicap ramp coming back up onto this patio out front. And the ramp that goes up over at the other door can be removed if you did not need the ramp. And the steps are in place. It is not to the point that you cannot remove it. You'll notice that even if a car goes by, you're not hearing it. It's so nice and quiet. There's that chimney. And then we have the fence that opens up, very large fence that opens up to come into the end of this garage with a light above to light your way. This is an absolutely gorgeous piece of property east of Business 17, close to everything. Come enjoy the family beach of Surfside, where there's always something to do for every member of the family. You can golf cart to eat. You can golf cart to the store. You can golf cart to the drugstore and enjoy the beach, just a golf cart ride down to the beach. If you would like more information about this home, please give us a call and let's make this your oasis at the beach where you can have your toes in the sand.